Hey everybody, welcome to another Waifu Wednesday. Yes, I did it. I bought another 2 boxes of that mysterious surprise set that I liked so much. Hopefully I still like it because that was over a month ago that I did that video. And I've been kind of sitting on these. So yeah, I apologize if I kind of go through cards that I already opened, but I forgot which ones I got as usual. But first off, let's look at the promo card that I got. It's a metal card, 162 out of 200. Again, they print 200 of this specific card. I don't know what number card this is. There's so many of these. But yeah, let's take a look. And whoa, it is it says Tifa. I'm sure it's Tifa and Aerith. But yeah, we got a Final Fantasy VII card pack here, or card. Definitely top tier, I'd say. Not too bad. But yeah, let's dive right into box 1 here. Yeah, I really like these cards. These were done very well, and they had, if I recall, these do say the distribution. I did a Google Translate, and I totally forgot what it said, but I think these were like X out of X packs, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, these were fun and interesting that the cards are put in upside down, or at least, wait, this one is. So yeah, these are, I forget how many are in here. Wow. Is it 17 or 18 packs, it seems? Well, let's get started. Wow, this is really thin. This must be a box topper. It's super thin. There's 1 card in here. If I recall, is there maybe 2 to 3 cards in here? Okay, WR. Right, okay. If I recall, this was like their highest, one of their higher rarities, and this is like super deluxe because it has gold or foil stamping. It's got like texture, sparkles. WR. So yeah, we got Gangyu here, of course. Interesting. So I think this is the first normal pack. I think that's the box topper. Yeah, there's 3 cards per pack. Yeah. Right. This does, okay, yeah. So yeah, high quality, has stuff on the back actually. So yeah, can't go wrong there. That looks familiar. Nice, we got an MGR card. So yeah, I probably won't be buying any more of these just because I've had enough. But yeah, puzzle piece, yikes. Okay, bummer. But it does look pretty nice. And we got a dupe already, so that's not good. I think that's a dupe from the other box. Yeah, I liked that these were very similar to those, I think, Water Story, Water Party, whatever those were. And they just had a lot of things going on that I liked. Like the foil stamping is always a plus for me. Dupe already. And we got a cool star card. Wow. Very nice. Holy cow. Just, yeah. The surge foil or whatever that is, and all the various, there's purple stamping, gold stamping. Wow. That's pretty good. That's better than the like hit card that I got. Nice, got another Gangyu. And a dupe. Lots of dupes. I don't care for that. I feel like this might even be a dupe from the first box I opened. Hopefully I'm wrong. Very cool. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, and the art's really nice too. Yeah, dupe. I'm getting a dupe every pack pretty much from the same box. I feel like I've got this one already. Do they have the name down here? Yeah, the name's down there. I totally missed it. Man. Yeah, see, we got Barbara. I totally missed that they have the names below. That looks familiar. Mithra. Nice. Wow. Dang. Really cool. That's good too. Yeah, lots of good cards. But I'm getting dupes. And I think I'm getting dupes from the first box. My UR cards are dupes, I think. But if you've been following along, you can let me know. I pretty much film these, edit them, and then it totally leaves my brain what I get. A dupe. Yeah, the UR cards are pretty nice. Like, just the art style. Really, really nice. And the foil stamping, everything. I'm smitten with this set. I don't remember if you guys liked this set or not when you guys were commenting, but I don't like getting all these dupes. I pop for this gold foil surrounding everything. For some dumb reason. So there is kind of a beach theme to some of these, but like not all of them are wearing like swimsuits. Good old official. I think I got that last time. Yeah, nice. Scathach. Can't go wrong. Nice. Miku. Can't remember if I got that last time, but that's a good one. Wow. Dupe of that one. I'm sure I got UR dupes in the last box just because, like, you get at least one per pack, it looks like. I don't exactly know all the rarity types, but yeah, that star rarity is really cool. And I want to say it's probably only one of those. Wow, that one's cool. Wow. Dang. Bronya Zacic. Dupe. It feels like every other pack I get the dupe from, or I get the card from the pack before. Nice. All right, 4 more packs. Yeah, you get a lot of cards in here, thankfully. Nice. HMS Belfast. Is it from Azure Lane? I think, maybe. And then see, I get the card from the previous box, or the previous. Ooh, Pyra. That's nice art. Like the subtle touches just are really good. Wow. Man. Maybe I will buy more boxes of these. Like, I kind of want the whole set. And I think they're still in print. Like, usually I'll find a set that I really, really like, dupe of both of these, and it'll be out of print. All right, penultimate pack. That looks familiar because that one's cool looking. And again, dupe from earlier and a UR card. So yeah, one more pack here. Definitely still recommend this series. Buy these up if you find them, but don't buy too many because in case I want more. And a dupe. And this one looks familiar, but it is really nice. I think I got this in the last box. So yeah, that was box one. Definitely that's up there as one of my favorites. All right, let's magically go to box two here. We got the gold metal card, 151 of 200. And it is the girl from One Piece, Nami. Is that who that is? Not bad at all. The sort of like anime looking head with the sort of realistic looking body is always interesting to me, but that's a cool one. Yeah, I'm probably gonna breeze through this second box a bit because now I know which ones are dupes or not. And yeah, maybe I'll save this for last. Save that for last, just to make it interesting. But yeah, let's dive right in. So yeah, definitely in dupe land of these two. And wait, what? Wait, what? Am I missing one? Usually there's 3 cards. This only had 2. Not cool. Not a good start. Not a good start. And there's dupes of these and dreaded puzzle piece. So yeah, you definitely get 1 puzzle piece per box. Man, did I? Okay, and 1 star card per box. Those are dupes. Oh man, I think I might have gotten this one in the first box. I don't know. Oh, we got multicolored foil up there. Not bad. Not as cool as that one, but still really badass. And a dupe of that. And I think this might be a dupe from the first box. Hopefully I get all the UR cards at least. I'm not really sure how many there are. Number 9. Dupes of those, of course, and a newer. Nice. She looks familiar. I really hope I didn't get a dupe star card over there. I'd be pretty disappointed. Dupes of these, of course. I think it's safe to say that I got all of the SSRs between these 3 boxes. I haven't bindered these yet, so I don't recall what I'm missing. Dupes of these, of course. And I think I got that in the last box. I mean, it's pretty much down to when you start buying more than 1 box, you're just getting, you know, that's a dupe. The like star, the ones that are 1 per box, basically. You're just collecting those, and you have so many dupes of the regular cards. Yeah, starting to get I'm starting to get a bunch of UR dupes, which, you know, I'm getting down to the wire. Yeah. UR dupes from the same box too, which is brutal. That's newer, unfortunately. That means I maybe didn't get them all. That's a dupe. And a dupe UR from the same box, yeah. This is a cursed box. You know that when you get only 2 cards in that first pack, And you're starting to get your dupes from the same box. So hopefully that hit pack is amazing. All right, so we have the penultimate pack here of the third and final box. And what did we get? We got some dupes, of course, and then a UR card, which I'm sure I've gotten already. And then the final pack. Actually, I got 2 more packs. I think this might be, like I said, this might be the hit pack. And let's see here. Again, we got some dupes, and then, yep, a dupe Mithra from the first box. And then I think we got here is the hit pack. I mean, I guess it's probably a star card. And it is a HSR card, which I don't quite understand what that means, but it's got the creepy glowy eyes. So yeah, have I gotten one of these? Yeah, so there you go. That's the final mysterious surprise box. I was very glad to buy. I was very glad these were still in stock and I was able to get 2 more boxes. And yeah, I do really like this series. Definitely this star card's probably my favorite. Both of these are pretty good, but I think I might have gotten that one already. So yeah, let me know what your favorite was. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and all that. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody.